So after learning about regression, the theory part of that, now let's look at Microsoft Excel and look at some built-in functions related to regression. So here I have the list of functions which are built into Microsoft Excel: slope, intercept, forecast, trend, linest. So we will talk about each of these. But before we do that, let's understand that the purpose of regression, the simple linear regression, is to create a equation something like this, which is y is equal to a plus bx. One thing which we are doing here is we are restricting our discussion to the linear regression only. The second thing is that we are restricting ourselves to two variables, one dependent and one independent variable. Just to recollect, this was the data which we had, our studied and test score, and earlier what we did was we plotted a scatter chart and Microsoft Excel gave us this equation y is equal to a plus bx. So let's quickly do that first here. So for that I go to insert and let me select this data, and in insert I look at the scatter chart and I plot this one. So this is what I have. Let me bring it down. Yeah, so this is my scatter plot. Now to draw a linear regression line, I need to have a line which fits all these points the closest possible. So for that I go to this plus sign here and I add a trend line. This gives me a trend line here. And in trend line also I can go for more options here, and in more options I am looking at display equation on the chart and display R squared value on chart. So let me close this. So this is something which I get. This is the equation which I am looking for. Y is equal to 15.792, which is A, plus 0.976x, which is the B here, which is here. So y is equal to a plus bx. So that's the equation here. So here in this case a is equal to 15.792. A here is the intercept and 0.976 is the slope. So that's one way to find out the equation. If you need to find out individual value of slope and intercept, you can use these two built-in function in Microsoft Excel, which are slope and intercept. Let's quickly look at these. So to find out slope of this line, what I will do is I will say equal to slope, and in the bracket I need to put the y values and x values. So my y values are here, comma, and my x values are here, and with this I close the bracket, enter. So this gives me the slope, which is 0.9769759. That's what you get here in the equation. Same way, if I needed to find out the intercept, which I already know that the intercept is 15.792, I can find out using Microsoft built-in function, which is intercept. So equal to intercept, I press tab, and then known y's are here, comma, and my x's are here, the x values are here, bracket close and enter. So this gives me 15.79. So that's another way to find out the slope and intercept of the line. So rest of these functions, let's look at that on the next video.